morning, welcome to my channel. Today we will looking at some words related to weather. We talking about weather. I think we all are loved to talking about rain. So today we will looking at some specific words related to rain. So let's dive into the video. But before begin, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and sharing the video with your friends. Let's get started. Okay. When you are talking about rain, the most common way to say is it is raining. One more time. It's raining. One more time. It's raining. Instead of it's raining, you should say it's pouring. One more time. It's pouring. One more time. It's pouring. Pouring means heavy rain. Pouring means heavy rain. When the rain is extremely light, when the rain is extremely light that you cannot feel it's raining, so you should say it's spitting. You should say it's spitting. Then next to spitting, the word is drizzling. It's drizzling. Drizzling just means it's like the drizzling is also a light rain, but more than spitting, right? Then next one, downpour. Downpour. One more time, downpour. Downpour means it's an unexpected heavy rain. Downpour. One more time. Downpour just means unexpected rain. Next to downpour, we are talking about the rain is not constant. Just means it doesn't rain continuously for a while. Then stops. Then it starts raining again. So it will be described as it's been raining on and off. One more time. It's been raining on and off. Repeat after me. It's been raining on and off. One more time. On and off. Thank you.